Here at Bike Friends, our mission is to put bicycle enthusiasts in the seats of the best bikes on the market. To keep our gears turning, we depend on Odoo's fully integrated suite of manufacturing applications. Recently, Bike Friends has decided to add some spark to our product line by releasing our first ever electric bike, the Megawatt. Designing and manufacturing a brand new bike like this is no small task, but we know that Odoo provides all the functionality we need to put rubber to the road. We first arrive in the Product Lifecycle Management app, where we create an engineering change order, or ECO, for a new product introduction. This ECO gives our engineers and product designers a collaborative space to develop the bill of materials, or BOM, for our new e-bike. The BOM includes all of the operations needed to manufacture the bike and the components required to do so. Some of these components are also manufactured and have their own BOMs as a result. At each stage of product conception, the BOM is iterated on and refined. Once our engineers finalize the details, a manager approves them, and they're ready for production. To introduce the Megawatt to our customers and gauge the initial demand, we've decided to create a pre-sale for our first round of bikes. Orders start to roll in, and by the end of the pre-sale, we've confirmed sales orders for 163 bikes. Whoa, we gotta move. Let's make the manufacturing order to build our first e-bike. Good thing we prepared the build ahead of time. See, producing the Megawatt requires the use of sub-assemblies, which means that we manufacture individual components like the wheels and the frame before using them to create the finished bike. With the sub-assembly set up, we jump into our production view within the shop floor module, a kiosk app specially designed to work well with the tablets used by our production team. From the main page, I can see all of our MOs that are ready to start, while the page for each work center shows the work orders assigned to it. As an MO progresses from one work order to the next, crew members are shown instructions for what they need to do to fulfill the work order. They're then prompted to run quality checks to make sure everything is in tip-top shape. As production ensues, the number of components used and time spent on each work order is tracked. All of this information is easily accessible in the backend. Let's take a look. On the manufacturing dashboard, we see a bird's eye view of every work center. Look at that. My bending station work center seems to be operating below the desired efficiency level. Better loop in my foreman. They discovered that the work center's bending machine is operating at half capacity and create a request through the maintenance app to have it addressed immediately. With this issue resolved, the work center should be back up and running. Back on our shop floor, we've just finished production of our first ever Megawatt e-bike. An exciting moment, but this is just the first of many. As we produce the rest of the bikes and fulfill our pre-orders, we publish the ready-to-order Megawatt on our website's e-commerce store. And as those orders come in, we'll manufacture each bike to fulfill demand using a just-in-time workflow configured in Odoo. This enables us to use the most cost-effective method as we continue to test product market fit for the Megawatt. To facilitate this relationship between demand and delivery, we'll jump into the master production schedule. The MPS is a forecasting powerhouse, leveraging historical data from the Odoo sales app to predict how many e-bikes we need to manufacture ahead of time, along with how many components we'll need to procure to do so. This makes it easy to manufacture each bike as needed while maintaining our delivery timelines. Since the product launch, our new e-bike has become one of our most popular products. Our customers love how fast it goes, and they appreciate the impeccable build quality. However, there is one key issue. A certain percentage of the bike batteries are faulty, losing charge too quickly. We're using Odoo's repair app to manage repairs for the faulty batteries, but we'd like to eliminate the problem entirely. It's time to design and release the second generation of our Megawatt bike. Back in the PLM app, we create a new change order under the BOM update category. Our engineers use this opportunity to upgrade the battery to one that's even more powerful, increasing the range of the improved bike. For this upgrade, our supply chain team uses Odoo's purchase app to put out a call for tenders to find the best possible price for our new battery. With the new battery added to the MPS, it can be purchased according to our sales forecast. With everything ready to go, the new bike is made available on our storefront and orders start flowing in. And just like that, from design and engineering to sales and production, Odoo's suite of manufacturing apps helped launch our brand new product.